Hello guys, and this is Swapnil from OG Gang, and I'm back with my new video on the latest DerpFest ROM, and it's booting up. I love this boot animation, it looks so cool, and this ROM has got the latest June security patch, and it also comes with Android 10. And it's also the smooth ROM. It works smoothly, it's quite fast. I'm using it since 2 days and I have not faced any of the bugs or issues in this ROM. So you can use this ROM as for and daily usage. Coming back to settings, and this is with the security patch of June 5th, and also it comes with the Android 10. I'm trying to rotate it, but it's not rotating. Let me try it again. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it shows the Android Q and the cool animations boots. Coming back to the home screen and also going to the settings, we have got the DerpFest. Going to themes, and in themes we have a variety of themes to choose from which are built-in, and also you can customize themes accordingly as per your preferences. You have lots of colors to use here inbuilt, lots of fonts, lots of lock screen clocks to use. Coming back to status bar, we have got tons of menus, and we have that option to choose the icons in the status bar. Also we have got the status bar icon. Also coming back to quick settings, we have tons of options. Also in the quick settings we have an option called header image, and we have pre-installed header images. It looks cool. Coming back to the menu, in the button options we have other customizations. Back to the settings, gestures, we have got the Android 10 gesture. Also we can customize it. Also we have the options to choose 2-button navigation or 3-button navigation. I personally love the gesture navigations. Also coming back to settings, the lock screen, we have tons of settings or customizations to do, and with the power menu we can select the advanced restart. Coming back to notifications, we have the pulse flash option. Also the edge lightning option is also available. We can also change the color of the edge lightning. Also in the miscellaneous we have tons of customizations in it. And coming back to menu, and it's the maintainer's name Wayne, and he's the best maintainer so far. I mean, there are lots of maintainers, but he has done a great job. Also getting to the display, we have the option to change the colors, the accent colors. It looks really cool, and the names to choose the accent colors are also awesome. Coming back to display, we have the option to change icon shape. It's a teardrop. That looks cool. Also going back to the menu, we have the options and the sounds to change the vibration, haptic feedback. Going back to the security menu, we see the device is encrypted, and basically all of the FBE ROMs are encrypted nowadays, and you need your device to be encrypted just for more security. And here, coming back to the home screen, turning on the net to show you the CDS profile on Magix, and checking the Magix, and the CDS profile is true. Coming back to the menu for the installation process, rebooting it to the recovery mode. Basically, I have used the Orange Fox recovery. You can use the TWRP2. As the Orange Fox recovery has also got a new update for 1.3 yesterday. I will also provide you the link in the description for the latest Orange Fox recovery. And this shows the option to decrypt the data. You have to input the lock screen password on it to decrypt the data. That's the main purpose of the FBE ROM. Your data is totally secured. And sometimes it's happened, but no to worries. And going back, yeah, it is decrypted, and the files you needed to install before, you need to wipe Dalvik chat, data, system, and internal storage only when if you're coming from an FDE to FBE ROM. And you need the files, that is DerpFest latest zip file. And if you want root, you have to flash the latest Magix. That's it. And rebooting into the system.
Hard to breathe, but that's alright.
जब मेरे साथी वो मेरी खास थी वो मेरी शुगर मेरा नशा मेरी खास थी वो मनाली मनाली कव्वाली कव्वाली वो दीदी
So coming back to the support, in our Telegram group, we have a Telegram group for this ROM support. You can go to this group and ask any of the queries you have regarding this ROM. We definitely help you. Also, there is an other group, that is Redmi Note 6 Pro official, for any other ROM supports. Special thanks to Wayne to maintain this ROM and provide us the latest build as soon as possible. And I will also describe the original links that are provided by the maintainer and the source itself. And a kindly note, guys, this is not a paid promotion. I'm not earning any money from this. I will provide the original link that is provided by the maintainer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Keep supporting, do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.